Question number 1. Can silence be considered to be a kind of music? How? For me, yes. Silence can be a kind of music. In music, silence is used as pause or rest, and those pauses help shape the rhythm and mood. Silence can build tension and make the sounds that come after it feel more meaningful. The second one is it possible that some types of music may be considered as noise? For me, yes. It depends on the person and situation. What one person enjoys as music might sound annoying or overwhelming to someone else, especially if it's loud or unexpected. So sometimes music can feel like noise. The third one is reflect on the saying the silence is deafening. Can silence be considered a sound? Can silence be considered as a form of noise? For me, silence isn't technically a sound, but it can feel really loud emotionally. It quiet or awkward moments. Silence can feel uncomfortable or overwhelming, which is why people say it's deafening because of that feeling. Silence can seem like a kind of noise even without sound. Thank you.